Today, Barry and Timmy are doing a science experiment for class. Barry is very excited, but Timmy won't stop goofing around. Timmy is egged on by everyone laughing at his jokes and pranks, and goofs off all period. Soon enough, Timmy tries to get Barry to laugh too. "Ha ha, got you," Timmy says as he scribbles on Barry's notebook. Barry gets irritated. "Hey, Timmy, stop scribbling on my notebook," Barry says in a slightly angry voice. Timmy keeps messing things up in class. Barry can't seem to focus. He squeezes his fists ever so tightly under the table. He is so upset. Although Barry is mad, he knows anger isn't going to get Timmy to cooperate or help their project finished. He takes a deep breath in and a deep breath out. "Timmy, please stop goofing around. We need to focus on the experiment, and you're starting to make me mad." Timmy realizes Barry is serious and that his hands were shaking a little. In a deflated voice, Timmy says, "I'm so sorry, Barry. I didn't mean to hold up our experiment. I'll stop." Barry feels better. It's okay to have fun, but I really need your help on this experiment. Come on, let's work together and see if we can turn this piece of wire blue. "Okay," Timmy shouts excitedly.
All of us get mad sometimes. If you do, take 3 deep breaths to cool down and talk about it when you're ready.